Today we will show you how to archive articles in Joomla 4. Sure, here's a more descriptive version. Archiving articles is an essential part of managing content on your Joomla website. Instead of deleting articles that may be useful in the future, we can choose to archive them. Archiving an article involves removing it from the main content area and placing it in a separate location where it will still be accessible but not visible to the public. Here's how to archive an article. First, go to the Joomla Content Manager and select the articles you want to archive. You can select one or more articles by ticking the checkboxes next to their titles. Next, click the Actions button and from the drop-down menu, select Archive. This will move the selected articles to the Archive folder. To view the archived articles, go to Filter Options and select Archives from the drop-down menu. This will display all the archived articles on your website. Archived articles can be viewed as a user by clicking on their titles. They will appear as they did when they were live on your site, with all their original content and formatting intact. If you want to display archived articles on your website, there are two ways to do it. You can add them to a menu, which will create a link to the article that users can click on to view it. To do this, go to the Menu Manager and create a new menu. Enter the menu title and select Archived Article from the article type in the Menu Item Type section. Select the corresponding article category if needed, and save the menu. Your archived articles will now appear in the menu. You can also display archived articles in a module, which is a small block of content that can be placed in different positions on your website. To do this, create a new module and select Article Archived as the module type. Enter the module title and the number of articles you want to display. Choose the page where you want to show the module from the Menu Assignment section. Place the module in the desired position and save it. Your archived articles will now appear in the Archive Articles module on your website. Archiving articles is a simple but important task that can help keep your Joomla website organized and up to date. By following these steps, you can easily archive and access articles whenever you need them.